If you live in the central and southern plains, you have not had a break as far as weather goes for a while, and the trend continues. This week we are watching two massive weather makers make their way across the United States. One system bringing in a lot of stormy weather, and another system bringing in much needed rain and snow to the western coast. How long will it last and how much will it accumulate? I will tell you right here on Liam's Weather. Thank you all so much for joining me right here on Liam's Weather. I am meteorologist Liam Kenny, and in this broadcast, I will be featuring the latest information on those two systems that I just told you about as they make their way across the U.S. One of them out in the west, bringing in much needed snow and rain to the western coast, and another one bringing in another severe threat to the central and southern plains after they were just hit just this weekend. Absolutely incredible. And please be sure that you hit that subscribe button and you also click the notification bell so that way you do not miss out on a single video. So here's that setup I was just showing you. A big area of low pressure, a dry line will also be associated with the system as it heads into eastern Texas, and plenty of moisture pouring out of the northern Gulf to fuel all these storms. So this is going to be your area to watch for the most severe thunderstorm action going throughout tomorrow and also tomorrow night. So basically a bullseye if you live in Midland, Abilene, and Dallas, Texas, going all the way up into Oklahoma City, and then a possible chance going all the way up as you get into the northern plains. And then as you go into Wednesday, this system will continue to move off towards the east, bringing in more severe weather to Oklahoma City, Little Rock, Arkansas, going down to Dallas, Texas, and then all the way down into Austin. So this is how much rain we are forecasting throughout Thursday. A wide swath of 1 to 2 inches of rain, maybe some areas getting into 3 to 5 inches of rain, but that is not in the forecast as of right now. Now coming up, I'll feature the latest system that is back out to the west. Alright everybody, welcome to part 2 of my broadcast. In this part, I'm going to be featuring the latest information on this big area of low pressure, making a huge trough in the jet stream pattern, bringing in much needed snow and rain to the western coast. So once again, there's that setup I was just telling you about. This area of low pressure is extremely strong. As it rotates counterclockwise, it is bringing in a lot of moisture from the northern, southern, and also the central Pacific Ocean, creating that huge trough in the jet stream pattern, along with this big area of high pressure drawing in a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico that is going to be fueling the storms that are back out in the central plains, and also bringing in very warm temperatures, much above average temperatures for this time of year. So it's a very good thing that we are going to be seeing rain, because look at the drought monitor. We are in the extreme to exceptional range for so many places here across the interior Southwest, going from LA, California, all the way up into Salt Lake City, down south towards Phoenix, Arizona, going even all the way east towards Denver and also El Paso, Texas. So a very wide area of extreme and exceptional drought. So this is basically a Hail Mary from God that we are getting this rain. But thankfully, we are going to be seeing maybe up to an inch or so, maybe across the Colorado Rockies. We're not really going to be seeing that much rain and snow here across the state of California, but as you go east into places like the Colorado Rockies, so places like Boise, Idaho, Salt Lake City, Las Vegas, going down towards Phoenix and also Albuquerque, and maybe even Denver, maybe getting around 1 to 2 inches of rain, and then on the snowy side, maybe up to an inch or two. So not the highest we want to see, but definitely it is, definitely something that we definitely, want to be thankful for, considering what we are currently at in our drought stage. So this is all I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.